Hi, my name is Matt Strzelecki and I'm a postgraduate researcher at the Department of Geography, Durham University in UK and Department of Atmospheric Research in Poznań in Poland. I am a geomorphologist working on coastal evolution and sea level changes on Svalbard. Current climate models predict amplification of Arctic warming, which will have a widespread impact on fragile coastal landscapes. Despite the potential significance of these changes, relatively little is known of the physical processes that operate on high Arctic coasts. My PhD seeks to address this theme by investigating the mechanisms that control the functioning of coastal zone of Svalbard over a range of timescales, from the late Holocene to the present. In Montreal, I will summarize my research by presenting two posters. First, describing the current state of rocky coast on Svalbard, and second, documenting coastal response to the post-Little Ice Age glacial retreat. I'm looking forward to meeting you in Montreal to discuss some more details.